Hi, my name is Jesse, and in today's video, we're going to talk about Testing and Education Reference Center, which is an amazing resource we have where you can access test prep as well as test books that you can use to study for that test prep. All right, let's go check it out. So starting from our catalog page, we're going to scroll down, and to the left, we have online resources, and we're going to click the Testing and Education Reference Center. And I like this interface because it asks some simple questions to help you find what you're looking for. In this case, high school student, I want to prepare for a test. And then go ahead on the next one. After I click next, it says, is it? And then I can pick a college entrance exam. And then now I've drilled down to just the college entrance exams. I'm going to pick SAT here. And I have a few different options I can look at. I'm going to go ahead and do the practice tests. So I'll click start now. And when I do that, I already have an account and it's logged in. You may have to create an account at this point, so just be prepared to do that. And once I'm in here, I can then go ahead and click on my practice test, which is right here. And I can see the different sections of the SAT and choose which practice test I would like. Now I tested this one earlier, so it's going to say continue quiz at the bottom. And when I click that, I will now be ready to start my practice test for the SAT. All right, and that's how you can access Testing and Education Reference Center. I hope it's helpful, and thanks for watching.